Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video to any of you trying to find where the DC AC Convertor guys, inverter fuses, relays are located on Mercedes GLC first generation. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. Please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. After that, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Even before we start guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6-7 different fuse boxes guys. Now, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now guys, when we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. DC AC Convertor guys, come to show which fuses and relays we need to check here on that Mercedes GLC. If you have that option, what you guys need to do specifically, open the trunk. When we open the trunk guys, the cover on the bottom, you need to lift it up. Underneath you have storage compartments, and here that flap, you need to open it. Right underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Guys, before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. Whether you have that option or not, depending is if you have the fuses. We don't, but if you have it, you see that fuse right here, it will be the first in that box, 438. You have that one here, and then you need to check fuse number 455. It will be the last in that box right there. Those will be the two main fuses. You don't have relays. The relay function most likely it's controlled by the rear SAM control module, so you may want to check fuses for rear SAM control module. That's SAM module. The video will be on the channel guys. Check it out. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have 2 different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well guys. Now it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones guys in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.